Modify the printing of appraisals. With an appraisal on the screen, we will choose the Print button, and then we will select a layout. There are 4 predefined layouts that ship with the Visual Jewelry Shopkeeper. Appraisal with no template means that you're going to print on a form that already has a template around the edges, but maybe not your company name. Appraisal for pre-printed form means you're printing on a piece of an appraisal that has graphics and your company name printed. Appraisal for letterhead is handy because you can use general purpose company letterhead paper. And then appraisal with template means you use entirely plain paper, and the shopkeeper will print the border around the edge, the graphics, and all the wording. We're going to focus on the type for letterhead, so I'll click the letterhead type. Over here we're currently set to the original version, which you cannot change. If you want to customize it, you need to add a customized version. We'll call this customized version 1 and OK. And then we hit the customize report button. Then here's the standard layout on screen, and you can add and change and modify and delete items. For example, if you didn't need this wording here, you can click it, right-click and choose Cut, and then it's gone. If you want to change the font, you can right-click an item, you can choose Properties, Style, pick the font selector item, pick a new font off the list, Arial Black, say bold but not italic, and a smaller size, and OK, and OK. And then you can simply move it by dragging it to the correct position. You can change text by right-clicking the text and Properties, and then you can highlight text, delete it, and type in to the insurer, and OK. If you want to add a new text, you can choose this little label option. Okay, click on that, click in the report, and type in text such as certified accurate, and that will save it. If you want to remove one of these picture boxes, you see how there's some picture boxes here? We can click on it. You see how it's selected with these dots, and I can right-click and choose Cut. You should save your work frequently as you're working. You can choose File and Save. Once you're satisfied with the changes, you can choose File and Close, and then the preview comes up. On the preview window, you can click on the printer icon to print, or the red button to close the preview window.